This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. Lake Views, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home situated on a spacious 1.27-acre lot. The split-bedroom floor plan offers privacy and functionality, while the large rocking chair front porch and screened back porch provide perfect spots for relaxing. Inside, you'll find a formal dining room, living room with volume ceiling and fireplace, and an updated kitchen with granite and stainless appliances, and a breakfast area. Neutral decorator colors. Both bathrooms have been updated. The primary suite features a walk-in shower and soaker tub. Nicely landscaped. Schedule your showing today. Buyers agents welcome. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.